Imagine waking up one morning and finding out your job has just been replaced by an AI. It's already happening across the United States. Companies are firing humans and hiring machines that never sleep. From writers to video editors, even programmers, AI tools are doing everything faster, cheaper, and better. And by 2026, experts say over 4 million jobs in America could vanish forever. In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful AI tools that are already replacing real jobs. So stay till the end, because one of them might be coming for your job next.
Tool number 1: ChatGPT. OpenAI. First on the list, ChatGPT by OpenAI. This conversational AI is already replacing customer service agents, copywriters, and even teachers. With GPT-5 now in development, it can create business plans, write legal documents, and generate code faster than most humans. Tool number 2: Midjourney. DALL E3. Next up, AI image generators like Midjourney and DALL E3. They've revolutionized the design world by creating logos, ads, and digital art in seconds. By 2026, many freelance graphic designers may find clients switching to AI art for speed and cost. Tool number 3: Synthesia AI video generator. Synthesia lets anyone generate talking videos using AI avatars. Companies are now using it for training videos and marketing. No camera, no actors, just pure AI content. This tool could replace thousands of video editors and voiceover artists across the USA. Tool number 4: Jasper AI. Jasper AI is an advanced writing assistant used by marketers and bloggers. It can create full blog posts, YouTube descriptions, and ad campaigns with just one prompt. This means fewer copywriting jobs and more automation in digital marketing. Tool number 5: Tome AI Gamma app. These AI tools are replacing presentation designers. They create entire PowerPoint or pitch decks from a few lines of text, something that used to take hours, now done in seconds. Tool number 6: Runway ML. Runway ML is transforming video editing. It removes backgrounds, adds effects, and even generates clips from text. Hollywood and YouTubers are already testing it, a serious threat to traditional video editors. Tool number 7: Copy.ai. This tool helps businesses write ads, emails, and sales copies automatically. Startups across the USA are using Copy.ai instead of hiring full-time marketers. Tool number 8: Descript AI podcast and voice editing. Descript can edit your video or podcast just like a Word document. Delete a word from your transcript, it removes it from the audio automatically. It's replacing traditional audio engineers and editors. Tool number 9: Fireflies.ai meeting assistant. Closing parenthesis, right bracket. Fireflies.ai listens to meetings, takes notes, and creates summaries instantly. It's becoming the virtual secretary for companies, reducing demand for human assistants and clerical roles. Tool number 10: AutoGPT. Devin AI agents. Finally, AutoGPT and Devin AI, the autonomous AI agents that can perform full tasks on their own. They can plan, research, write, and execute code all without human help. By 2026, these could replace thousands of programmers and analysts across the USA. AI is not just changing jobs, it's reshaping how we work, think, and create. But remember, the smartest move isn't to fight AI, it's to learn how to use it. Because those who understand AI won't lose their jobs, they'll lead the future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more weekly AI updates from Technova AI 12. The future is here. Are you ready for it?